welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about the speakers effect in my i10 Blaupunkt component speakers and coaxial speakers. I have installed my component in the front board doors, and coaxial on the back side, and I have fitted my tweeters right there. And now we will see the effect of this speakers. Let's go. Now I show you the speakers inside my door. You can see from the video, I think. Let's increase the volume to the maximum. Now we are in the back side of my car, and I have placed the coaxial right here. You can see it is purchased from the Amazon website. Now let's check it out, how it sounds like from the back seat. About the speakers, it's very good to hear, and the bass coming from these front speakers are very nice, and for my car it's look great, and some of my friends also told me that was a great sound. And I'm using the company set, it's Kenwood. If you are upgrade your infotainment system, means you will get some more sound. This is my honest review about the Blaupunkt component and coaxial speakers, and you can buy without worry, I think. And if you also have amplifier and woofer, it will sound like a boom. To buy these products, I will give the link in the description, and please subscribe my channel, and thank you.